All right, hey guys, welcome to Full-Time Credit Repair starting from zero. My name is David Ferday, and I'm the founder and CEO of Full-Time Credit, fulltimecreditrepair.com. And I'm excited you're here because I'm dropping my new course on credit repair where I'm gonna show you how to fix your own credit, but I'm also gonna show you how you can start a business in doing so in the process. And it's simple and it's easy to use software like Credit Repair Cloud and ChatGPT, which does most of the heavy lifting for you, including mailing the letters, that I'm gonna show you step by step. We're also gonna talk about late payments and collections, trade lines, credit sweeps, and even CPNs. We're going over all of it. In fact, in my course, in total, you're gonna get over 80 video titles that you can watch anytime you want with lifetime access, plus an invitation to my private Facebook community where you can ask questions anytime you want, and I try to answer them every single day. You're also gonna get over 200 ready-to-made templates, which you can simply fill out and mail in, and everything I just mentioned included in this course for under $100. And to make it even easier, all you gotta do is click the link below and welcome to our community at Full-Time Credit Repair, starting from zero.